Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to be making creamed peas, and it's really easy to make. It's an easy holiday side. I remember my paternal grandmother, she threw down for the holiday meals. I mean, she really put out a spread, and creamed peas always made it to her table. And oddly enough, not a lot of people ate it in my family. I loved it. And actually, what I like to do as a kid, I like to have turkey and dressing and pour over creamed peas over the turkey and dressing instead of gravy. Is that another weird thing I do? Probably not. I can't be the only one doing that. But anyways, here's how I make creamed peas. It's super easy to make and I love it. Here's how I do it.
Okay, so I've preheated a small pot over medium heat and I'm adding 4 tablespoons of unsalted butter, and I'm just going to melt down the butter. So now I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of finely minced onion, and I'm going to add that to the butter and saute it for not even a minute. I really just want to flavor the butter, and make sure you watch your heat. You don't want anything to burn at this point. Now I'm going to add a 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour, and I am going to make a roux. And I do find that when I'm doing creamed peas, because I start with a roux, I like to use whole milk. Even evaporated milk works fine. Now, if you have heavy cream, that definitely works, but I do find whole milk or evaporated milk a bit more budget friendly. So now I'm adding freshly cracked black pepper, and I'm going to add a pinch of freshly grated nutmeg. This really does add wonderful flavor to any cream sauce. Okay, so now I'm going to add 3 cups of whole milk. So I'm going to work that in with my wooden spoon little by little. A whisk probably would work better, but cold milk to a hot roux equals no lumps. That's what I've learned as a YouTuber. When I started out YouTube early on, I used to make cream sauces, and I got that tip from my commenters, so I've learned. I've added all my milk, and my cream sauce is coming together quite nicely. I'm going to add salt to taste. I'm using probably a 1/4 teaspoon to start, and I'll work my way up from there, just as to not over salt it. So now I'm going to add 1 pound of frozen peas that I have completely thawed. I'm going to add them right into my pot. I'm going to combine them with my cream sauce, and I'm going to let it gently simmer for about 5 to 10 minutes. The cream sauce will eventually thicken just like this. And this is one of my favorite sides. I even like to add chopped holiday ham into this. Sometimes I'll make a soup with ham and potatoes with this base of creamed peas, and it's so delicious. So I hope you give this recipe a try. I hope you like it, and thanks for watching.